Hi, my name is Isabella. No? Anyways, so today we're gonna be playing with slime.
I got the little slime ice cream movie.
Yeah. And then, so, sorry. Happy Halloween to you guys because today's Halloween, if y'all didn't know. But yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna open this real quick and we'll get to you guys. But yeah. Got it open.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna open it. I think I know how to open mine.
Me too.
Okay, we're gonna get our open and we're gonna come back to you guys and yes.
I open it.
Okay, wait. Got it open now. We're gonna open it up. Wait.
Okay.
Oh, okay. There we go. This is the stuff that came with it. Wait. Oh, yeah, look, Scarlett, come here. Wait, let me help her open this real quick. Oh. Okay, let me open this real quick, and yeah, I'll get back to you guys. So we opened it, and
Can you help me open it?
This is the stuff that we got with it. So Scarlett, you show your stuff first. This is not yet, okay?
Okay. My ball, little baby.
Okay. Then I got some glitter,
And I got your baby strawberry.
and then I got clay,
And I got the
straw, and I got these sprinkles, and then I got these things. I don't know what they're called.
Hey,
and then,
no.
and then we got these stars. And now we're gonna open up the slimes.
Can you help me open this?
Okay, we're gonna open ours up, and we'll get back to you guys.
Yeah.
So we have our slimes opened, and oh wait, hold on, let me open yours real quick. And we're about to touch it and feel it. 3, 2, 1, feel it. Oh.
My sticky.
Wait, watch yours. Watch.
Hey, it got stuck on me.
It sticks down in there. Stick it like this. And we're gonna take some out, and we're gonna start playing with it. Look how clear it is.
Can we plug this? Can you plug this?
Let's play with it for a little, and then we can put it on there. Okay.
Hey,
So we're gonna play.
Can you help me take that out?
Scarlett. Wait. Oh my gosh.
It come out. Why it keep sticking in my hand?
Try to do this, Scarlett. Look. See? There. My slime is like really, really good. Oh crap. Ugh.
Can you help me take that out? Can you help me
Wait,
take
Scarlett,
that?
I just took mine out. Let me feel mine a little bit.
Well, you're quite big.
Put it on the table. I love it.
Bella, it got sticky.
Wait, let me put this up.
Hey, Bella, help me.
Oh, shoot. Wait, well, we're going to be right back. Okay, so we're going to start by taking out a few of it.
Can you help me take that out?
And we're going to start by, wait, Scarlett, wait. And we're going to start by doing it. Scarlett, you can just add all of this.
Okay.
In, because you only got one piece line. Let's see if I can find it.
Can I open the strawberry?
Wait, yeah.
Can you
Okay.
help me with this?
Okay, Scarlett, look, you can pour it in. Pour it in, Scarlett. Pour it in. Pour it in. Okay, that's all. Now start mixing.
Wait, where's my straw?
Don't worry about it. We'll find it. Scarlett, find it. Try to find it, okay? And I will mix in the sprinkles first. Put in a little.
I can't find it.
Wait. Okay. I'm gonna be right back, and we're gonna get you guys. Right back.
Can you help me open the strawberry?
Scarlett, let's mix this first, okay? Mix it first.
Wait, with my hand?
Yeah, mix it with your own hands. Whoa, look at all this.
Look,
It's
I
so
did it.
Cool. Scarlett, let me see. Okay. Oh, this one's really sticky. But lucky me.
Can you help me open the strawberry?
I know how to handle with sticky slime. So you're lucky, Scarlett. I know, because if you didn't, then you would have in so much trouble. Oh shoot, no, my slime. Oh shoot, my outfit. Okay, it's getting everywhere. So we're gonna get to you back in like a few seconds. But yeah.
We gotta clean them.
Okay, we're back to us. And yeah. Anyways, but yeah, here's my slime. And she can't take hers out because hers is like very sticky. So she can't. But my slime is turned out to be really, really good. It makes... Okay, well, it's not bad, the tub, but like, it's just like, it's okay. Anyways. I'm trying to mix us in, and let me...
Can I go on my hand?
Yeah, you can go with your hands with it. And we're going to be back to you. Well, no. And here's the slime. Don't mind the outside. It's my sister. Here's her slime. It sticks out really. But I could easily play with it. We could switch slime for now. So yeah. She could play with this slime. And I could try to handle this slime. Hey Scarlett, come on.
Can you pound the strawberry?
No, Scarlett. You play with the clear slime. Go play with the clear slime, okay?
But I want to do it.
Scarlett, no, wait. Okay, wait, Scarlett, wait, okay? Just play with the clear slime.
Okay.
Scarlett, go the other way, other way. No, Scarlett, don't touch it. Play with this one. I'll try to handle with this one.
Okay. And wait, you gotta make it and don't get sticky?
Yeah. Hold it down. This. I was close to my hand. There. I was close. Scarlett, come over here so you can play with the slime. Some kids these days.
Wait, your slime not sticky?
No. It's not sticky. See? Not sticky. Your slime is somehow.
Can you?
Anyways, don't mind the hair thingy. What are y'all guys being for Halloween?
Can you give me my strawberry?
Daily question. What are y'all guys being for Halloween? Scarlett's being Peppa Pig. I'm being a bloody cheerleader. And yeah. Man, sometimes I just recommend not to have this, but sometimes I don't want to be that rude, so I would kind of just recommend if y'all like want to do like fix that slime or something, you know? Yeah.
Okay, we'll make a bubble.
Okay, I can make so much bubbles.
Wait, are you cleaning the table?
Yes.
Hey, guide. We don't make the video
Because
because
you gotta scoot over so they can see you.
okay. And if we don't make the table messy.
Oh yeah, we will definitely clean up our messes. We're not some spoiled brats. We're not spoiled brats. But yeah, I'm leaving soon because soon I'm going trick-or-treating with my friends. Yeah, and
Yeah, going my trick-or-treating with my friend.
okay, don't be offensive or anything. Don't get mad. But Scarlett, you got friends?
Yeah, Jenny. Like the Elsa thing.
Huh?
That one is my friend.
Okay, we play it together as like jokes, so don't worry about
Look.
me being rude to him.
Look at my slime. It did slop.
Like all of us as a family, we joke
Wait,
around.
that my slime?
Yeah, we all joke around.
Wait, clean the table.
I know. I'm gonna clean up this table. Scarlett, can you pause it? So I'm gonna go. Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna clean
Bye-bye.
up. We're gonna clean up.
Okay, we come back for you. Bye. And we
have-
keep on the strawberry.
Yes, sir. Scarlett.
I can't
So-
open it.
Try to go. Scarlett, go ask mommy. Oh wait, we got scissors right here. Okay. Let me see. So, So basically, wait. Let me just. Oh my kind of skills. Okay, Scott, can you whip it?
Yeah.
Whip it. Okay, so she's gonna whip that up.
I open it.
Yeah. So we're gonna
Can I
grab.
put on top of it up there?
Yeah. And
But
then,
it's so squishy.
yeah, that's how it's supposed to be, Skylar.
Can I put on it?
Yeah. Anyways, so this slime is done. Now we're gonna grab a whole. Wait, I'm gonna grab my whole slime. Oh. I'm gonna play with the slime.
I make the strawberry.
So cool.
Can you help me get mine? Can you help me get mine?
Wait, got it. Oh, look at that. Ugh. Ugh. This slime is so.
Hey, how about you make it together?
Sure. I'll mix it. No, I don't want to because the slime is like literally perfectly good.
Hey, you mixed it.
Scarlett, wait. Let me first play with the slime alone. You know?
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
It's so tiny. Let me just.
I feel the strawberry right here. Look.
Wow.
Do you see the green one?
Yeah.
Hey, my slime not sticky?
I don't know. Scarlett, you tell me.
Huh?
You tell me, Scarlett. It's your slime. Anyways. So you guys, how about...
Can you help me get out this?
Scarlett, you can't play with it because it's gonna stick to you, but you could like poke it. Oh wait, alright. It's gonna get a little sticky. But you can still play with this, Scarlett, in the container.
Hey, it's not sticky?
I don't know.
Okay.
If it's sticky, then you gotta keep
Look.
picture.
I can do this.
You know what?
Wait,
Next piece we're gonna do is
where's my straw?
this glue.
Where's my straw?
Try to find this, Scarlett, okay?
Huh?
Try to find it, okay?
Okay.
And we're gonna open this.
I'll be right back. Look, can you pot it? Because I gotta find my straw.
Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna be right back with you guys. Time to mix it up.
Okay, not there.
Scarlett, can you find it later, please?
Hey, we play a slime video.
Anyways, my sister's over here. I guess she wants to go use the restroom. But yeah, here's the slime. It still has glitter. It has glitter in it. It just doesn't show, I guess. I don't.
Make this together, Bella.
It feels really.
Like
Let's
this.
see what y'all doing. Bro, hey.
That's my sister.
Hey y'all, I'm the sister.
The biggest.
I ate. I'm the prettiest one here. Show Skylar.
Yeah, she is. I don't know.
Yeah.
She just.
Anyways, bye. I ate.
Oh shoot.
Wait, where's my
She's
strawberry?
hanging out with her friend.
But my gonna get mad here, her friend.
One sec. Hey guys, I'm pretty much in a rush right now because my friend's about to come. Cause we're going trick or treating. If you didn't know, I don't think I told y'all or not. But yeah, and I gotta be in a rush cause
And then Elsa drip because my friend.
and I gotta put on. And then I gotta put on.
It's Diane.
Yeah, but I gotta put on some stuff. I gotta put on some blood because I'm a bloody cheerleader. And yeah, you can talk to my sister while that's happening. But we have to go, but I will record when we're going trick or treating because yeah, I love you guys. Anyways. Anyways, we're just gonna put this away. We're gonna mix this to it. So we mix it in. Do you think it's gonna change the color? Cause it was like a little bit. No, it isn't. Okay, it didn't. It's just really bubbly. If you can't see, it's just really bubbly. But when you're like stretching out, it's like really clear and I can see through y'all. Anyways, you wanna see my guy? Okay. Wait. Sorry. Okay. Wait, huh? Wait, you gotta ask mommy. Ask mommy's got it, okay? Okay. Okay, we're gonna put this back. And I'm gonna clean up this. And I'll get you out in a few seconds. But yeah.
Mommy's saying
Bye, you guys. I'm about to be leaving. So bye, you guys. Bye, the Rose family.
yeah, I gotta try and clean the table.
I'll record everything that we're going trick or treating, you know. And yeah.
Look,
So bye, you guys.
you're not coming
He's gotta say
off.
bye. He's gotta say bye.
Bye. Hey, you're not coming off.
We're at.
Be careful.
I look goofy still.
Hey,
Anyways,
slash that part.
we're about to get another one. I got a little bit of candy, and yeah, I'm about to be all back. So yeah. A kid said, "Nice costume, bro."
Yeah, that was Goofy.
Just saying. Anyways, I like that house. Okay, let's go, bitch. Girl, no, don't try.
Remember how to Minecraft costume? I want it like a zombie.
Diana went somewhere else. But yeah, I'm a dead zombie. Wait, some goofy ass stuff up. Should we try that house? No, I don't think so. Anyway. What the heck? Oh, that house. It's pretty. Come on, let's go. We just did my friend's house. But yeah. And now we're about to do it at another house. Go. So, okay, wait. I don't didn't answer.
Driving license, murder,
Just checking.
shooting,
I just wanted.
They could have put a basket.
For real. I feel like they wouldn't because you know how a lot of kids, they be taking people's candies
Like
now.
the whole basket. I'm just saying, they have an extra basket except for us.
Anyways, what house? That one. Right there. Right there. That one. Go do that. We're about to do another one. Girl, something, candy fell out of your basket. Girl, your stuff is falling out of your basket.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing?
What's up,
Hey, y'all.
Homero?
Hey,
What's up,
y'all.
Homero?
Hello, Homero. Homer.
Homero. Wait,
Homer, yes. Homer, bitch.
they ain't home. They ain't
They
home.
home.
Man,
They're not at home.
they ain't at home. I see a car though.
Oh God, I gotta move down because I'm tired.
Yeah, let's take a little break. Let's count. Let's like look at the candy that we got. I'm gonna look at the candy that I got. And yeah, period. Can you just admire how ugly I look?
Hey y'all.
Period. Let's do another house. But
Slash.
hey, let's go to Isaac's house. Yes.
Your
Period.
CRUSH.
Should we ding dong ditch next time?
I don't know. My mom does not let me.
We do. No, but when she came over, we ding dong ditch, right? Isabella?
Me and you?
Yeah, when you sat over.
No.
We ding dong ditch.
No, we didn't. Oh wait, yeah, we did. Never mind. Oh shoot. Period. Where are we going?
We're going to my East. Yeah.
I'm gonna fall asleep. Thank God,
I'm
day.
not tired. So.
Okay. Where do we go?